Sorry, Batman. That's a good there. That's a good joke, Joker. Yeah, this is tight on my neck. Ew. Well, this is kind of how it was, in theory, supposed to kind of go. Just when I was first doing this, guys. I don't know. I could kind of turn the net. I actually had a cover here that would go underneath and cover this up. Here it goes. Sweet baby Jesus. Ugh. Oh. Yeah, I don't. That was me being silly again. I don't know what the heck I was trying there, but I just wanted to show a little bit of this. This isn't really behind the scenes of anything. It just was the back cow that I had originally printed out, 3D printed out, and it's janky. Everybody would tell me, I know that it's janky. It looks really rough, like when you look up close. It's got the layer lines and all that. But again, I was just going for speed, not quality. It's at night, so yeah. And then I printed it out in 2 pieces so that I could attach this underneath here with magnets and stuff. But actually, it was not too bad with this. And then this would have been the neck here, underneath right there. And it was just kind of get a basis, see, kind of a base to start that off with. Anyway, that's not what I was gonna really bring up. That was sort of a side thing there, and who knows what I'll do with that next year or whatnot. See, I'm sure I'll do something with it. But I think today just wanted to kind of say hello. Hope y'all are all doing good. Kind of a quick little thing I wanted to mention for myself. For myself, I say that a lot, I know. But taking a leap and trying what you want in life, because sorry if that's too loud. Because a few years ago, I decided to take an internship. I guess quality-wise or description-wise, I don't believe it had the word internship. But when I was with the company and everything, I was lumped in there with everybody that was internship-wise. There for that, there was, I think there was 12 of us or something, 12 or 14, somewhere around there, under 15. But good bunch of people, young crowd and stuff, and different departments, and got along with everybody. It was all cool, great, admittedly, at first it was a little awkward, just because like, hey, they're half my age and stuff. But I guess the point of this, I want to say that in life, since we only get this one go around, right? I mean, give it a shot. Whatever your passions are, your makes you happiest, go for it. Don't let nobody say otherwise. F them. When I mean F them, like forget them. Yeah. And you can say, who is I to say this? You're nobody. I know I'm a nobody like anybody, but you're somebody to somebody at some point, family, friends, or otherwise. You're somebody to yourself. And if anybody was to see this and thinks it resonates somewhere, like, what do you mean? Well, the internship is just an example. I mean, but I was 48 at the time when I took the internship, and I probably would have maybe been there still, but I actually had a work, I guess, lined up at the time afterwards, so they didn't go that route. Yeah. Anyway, that's just something kind of wanted to get off my mind, and hope you guys are doing well. And again, just keep positive about things, and what makes you happiest, and go forward with that. And also, I do like what makes me happy. I do like nerdiness, and I don't know if it's nerdiness, but just I like making 3D prints and stuff as a novice. Very, very beginner on those things. Actually, if you guys hear anything, it's because I do have 2 prints going on right now in the other room, and those should be done tomorrow. Actually, this evening. So after I get something to eat, they should be done. But I'll post those and I'll show you guys. They're for an upcoming game here in a few weeks. So printing those out, different variations of logos. But yeah, something that from the files that I had, I kind of moved them around, I modified them to my liking. So yeah, but appreciate you guys checking this out, and that was just another little day in life of what I'm doing today. Doing 30 prints, and pretty much just kind of get this idea that I want to reach those out there into the YouTube space, the world, and just say, Hey guys, real quick. Yes, wanted to interject here again. Sorry about that. Yeah, I know the video there, uploaded. In case you're wondering, it's dark, and I was looking at it, just like, oh crap. But I also didn't want it to be something that I just was kind of just rehearsing. I'm just putting it out there. What's at the moment, just like what's on my mind, kind of thing, and being a little silly too at the very beginning of the video. But that's it. I did a quick run through. Like, I'm just posted, okay, and I was like, I'm go with it, because for me, it's just more so the topic at hand, and just it was kind of a brief overview of the topic then. But yeah, just do what you love and love what you do, I guess, and you be you, right? But yeah, that's it. And so this, like, I'm in the kitchen now, obviously, and wanted to throw that out there, and hope you guys are good, and hope you guys hope you guys. See, I'll leave this in. Hope to see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all have a good one. All right.